David from Trail Adventures USA, and on today's episode, we're going to show you how we turned the Yeti storage box into our ultra compact camp kitchen. Coming up next. So what I was looking for is I was looking for a solution for lightweight, portability, and have everything in one box, and this seemed to be a good solution for us. We're using some hiking technology. We're also using some overlanding technology here as far as parts that we were able to acquire online, and so we were able to put this together at an affordable price. So you'll see if you come in a little bit closer, we actually have two lightweight camp stoves. We have a single burner here. You can use it as a single burner, and if you want to, you can set it up in a double burner configuration. So that would be our camp stove. Inside we have our pots and pans. This is the Stanley camp set, and it's really a great camp set. Comes with the pots, pans, and lids. Underneath we have our coffee grinder. We have all of our utensils, forks, knives, and spoons. And then in this box we have salt and pepper, some soy sauce, and some other seasoning. Now this also comes with a divider that can be used as a cutting board. So that's nice. Now here on the top, we actually used Velcro straps that we were able to get at the local home improvement store. And we use that to hold on the griddle. Now the Yeti storage box does come with slats already provided, so you can put a Velcro strap on there. And so we just wrap this up in our 511 bag. And there you have a full griddle. And what we like to use it for is for, cooking in the morning. So we would set these up on our picnic table and set our griddle right on top of it. So you can see how kind of all this fits together, creates a very nice system for your overland or camp kitchen in the back of your rig. Now these burners we were able to get on Amazon for about 30 bucks a piece. The Yeti storage box is a little more expensive, but it's a well-made unit. It actually also has storage in the lid, so we're actually able to carry a full frying pan and our with the frying handle all ready to go. And so that makes it convenient. Once again, this works very well if you want to use just a single burner. And so this is not an end-all be-all. Maybe you guys take this idea and you do more with it, but this gives you a general starting point if you want to create a lightweight, compact, complete kitchen that has everything you need to cook some great meals out on the trail. Guys, so we have 3 divider boxes. We were able to find these storage bins at our grocery store. So in the area where they sell the Ziploc storage bags and plastic bowls and so on and so forth, we were able to find these, and they fit perfect inside the Yeti. Now we keep 3 of these storage boxes inside the Yeti, and we have our knives, spoons, forks. We also have a basting brush and even some chopsticks. Now we have another one, and this one here we have for different seasoning, packet seasoning. So if you're like me, I like to make fajitas when I'm on the trail because it's easy. So we carry a fajita mix, some Asian seasoning, even meatloaf seasoning and beef stroganoff. So we can carry all these little packets inside here. So if you're like me, I like the instant gravy. You just add some water, heat it up, you got some good gravy. That goes great on just about anything, and they fit perfectly inside these storage containers, and they're air and water tight, so stuff stays fresh. That's gonna be important. You can see they just fit perfect right in there. Now, the third storage bin we have that fits in it, we use it to carry like soy sauce, sesame oil, salt and pepper, but you can put whatever you want. I mean, it could be your Cholula hot sauce, it could be Tapatio, Tabasco, whatever you want that can fit in there. And then we have our pin test thermometer for meat. But as you can see, there is a lot of stuff that you're able to carry in this Yeti box that will get you going. 4 coffee mugs. We got a pot, we got our pan, we got our griddle, and we have our bowls. Also the ladle and spatula come with it. You can fit 2, 3, or even up to 4 fuel containers for the burners. So honestly guys, I don't know what else you would need for a weekend out, 2-3 days out, and have something that's so compact. And like I said, this just grab and go. Put it on the shelf in your garage, and when you need it, you grab it and you're on your way out the door. And once again, your seasoning and stuff is all still inside, so you don't have to replenish unless you've used it and you want to replenish it. But we even have our own coffee grinder inside here. GSI makes this great little coffee grinder. Now I know Jim over at Ground Pounder Coffee, they've got a great coffee grinder. It's a small stainless steel one. Look them up. It's groundpoundercoffee.com. And they make a great coffee grinder. This one here by GSI is good. It's not great. It's got plastic internals. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's been holding up so far. But I like the one that Jim sells. Once again, Jim at Ground Pounder Coffee definitely makes a great coffee grinders. But this also fits in there. So we have everything that we need when we wanna go out and hit the trail, grab lunch, stay the night or whatever. This is a great solution to a problem, and that is compact, lightweight, lighting up, make your rig lighter. This has everything we need. We're thrilled. This thing has been working out great for us. Hope that you guys will give it a try. Excited because we are in possession of Winterwell's new fire pit. This is the large fire pit. It's called the flat pack fire pit. You will have to buy the grill separately, but look how flat this is. We're gonna have this in an upcoming video where we can show you exactly how to set it up, how it works, and what our first impressions of it are. But right now I wanna tell you guys, this thing's gonna be a game changer. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share for future episodes. If you've enjoyed today's episode, please leave a like and smash the subscribe button. Be sure to ring the bell icon so you won't miss future episodes. If you have a product or service that you feel could benefit from being featured, please contact us through Instagram at trailadventures_. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next trail adventure.